Ready to discover 2024's coolest gadgets? From mesmerizing lights to fun fidget toys, here are our top 5 picks. First up, the Snowy Night Flowing Hemp Night Light. This handmade snow scene brings cozy vibes to your room, perfect for gifting or creating a magical ambiance. Next, the DIY Digital Hourglass, a futuristic, glowing twist on a classic, perfect for birthdays or adding techie flair to your desk. Third is the Montessori Magical Bean Cube. It's an educational spinner and stress reliever, perfect for kids and adults alike, fun, challenging, and addictive. Number 4, the Leather Hand Dragon Bracelet, a bold vintage cuff with a dragon design ideal for cosplay or everyday style. Finally, the 3D printed gear ball, a mesmerizing fidget toy and desk ornament. Watch its gears rotate in style. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool finds.